Good morning, super secret bricks here to review set 6879 Blizzard Baron from the Ice Planet 2002 theme that was released in 1993 with 77 parts and 1 minifig. The vibrant Ice Planet's identity can be seen all over the ship, with the white, the blue and the transneon orange colors, as well as the skis, the printed logo, and the printed computer screen. The ship is attached to a communication module which itself is attached to an engine that can be attached back to the ship when the communication module is left behind. The minifig is a generic Ice Planet male astronaut equipped with a helmet that has a visor with comlink, an air tank, a chainsaw, and a pair of skis. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did, and click the subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.